Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at Maya's triumph, that is from doubt to dream. In the bustling city of New York, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya had a burning passion for entrepreneurship and dreamt of starting her own business. However, she faced skepticism from family and friends who doubted her abilities and the feasibility of her ideas. Despite the doubts, Maya remained undeterred. She immersed herself in books, online courses, and networking events, soaking up knowledge and building connections. With each setback she encountered, Maya saw an opportunity to learn and grow. One day, Maya stumbled upon an innovative idea for a sustainable fashion brand that merged style with eco-consciousness. Excited by the prospect, she poured her heart and soul into developing her business plan and securing funding. Despite facing rejection from investors and encountering logistical challenges, Maya persisted. She reached out to mentors, sought feedback, and refined her approach. Her unwavering determination and resilience soon caught the attention of a venture capitalist who believed in her vision. With funding secured, Maya launched her sustainable fashion brand, creating a beautiful garment that resonated the eco-conscious customers. Through her brand, she not only achieved financial success but also made a positive impact on the environment. Maya's journey taught her that perseverance and belief in oneself are the key to overcoming obstacles and achieving one's dream. In the face of doubt and adversity, she proved that with passion and determination, anything is possible. To watch more motivational content like these, please do subscribe.